We'll guide you through how to copy photos from a phone to a USB drive. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We're going to be guiding you through this step by step with giving you important information throughout this whole guide. So make sure this full thing and don't skip anything. Otherwise you may go and miss an important part. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So as you can see here, I've got my USB drive. Now in some cases, your drive may be able to go and plug straight into the device. You can plug it in the port. This is a USB-C port, by the way, and majority of phones now use USB-C. So your drive may be able to go and plug straight in. In this case, mine can't. So I'm going to need to get an adapter. So you can go and get an adapter to your phone's port. As I said, most will be USB-C. So I've got a USB-C to USB adapter here. So what we can do is go and plug in the adapter, like so. And then we can go and plug in the drive. Remember that these can only go in one way, so don't force it if it's the wrong way. Just make sure it's all firmly pushed in, like so. Now, what we need to do is we need to go and open up the Files app on our device. So you can go and swipe up, and you can swipe across here. I tend to just go and press search at the top, and you can go and type in Files. And as you can see, there it is. Tap on it to go and open it up. Now for you, you may be in a folder. So what you need to do is press the back button to get back to this main page. You can come down into storage and you should be able to go and see your USB. As you can see, there it is. Now what we need to do is go and find the photos. So on this device in categories, I can find images and come in here and go and view them. What you may need to do though, is you may need to go into internal storage. Then you'll want to go and find the DCIM folder. Come into here and you'll see these different folders, and these will be the different albums essentially. So you've got camera and you can go through them. So now once you've got there, you can get to that list, or if you've got the option for images back here, you want to go and tap on it. Now what we're going to do here is you can go and start tapping and holding. And this is the same thing if you're in the DCIM folder as well, by the way. So let's go and say I wanted to do it with, I've got some here. So what you need to do is go and tap and hold them. As I said, this is the same whether you're on DCIM or you're here. And you can then go and have them selected. And once you go and do that, just to show you, you tap and long hold. You don't just go and tap because it'll go and open it up. So what you need to do is go and tap and long hold. Once you've got them selected, you can come to the bottom and go and press copy. This will open up. What you need to do is go and scroll along at the top and go and find USB. Then you can go and create a new folder just to go and keep things organized. I can name this copies. Press create, we'll then tap on it and we'll go and press copy here. And that's it. They're now going to be copied there. So now I can go and put this onto another device and I can go and see those photos and have them stored on the device for the backup potentially. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.